Bro, this hot tub's pretty sick, but I wish it was a little bigger.
This hot tub cost me over $5 billion to build, bro. Why are you yerking on me?
Bro, I would feel more comfortable in your hot tub if we were 5 feet apart.
Why, bro?
I'm not gay, bro!
Is there a problem with being gay, bro?
You're cool, bro. No homo. I just don't agree with your lifestyle.
Bro, get out of my hot tub.
No, bro.
Yeah, bro.
No, bro.
Yeah, bro.
No, bro.
Yeah, bro.
No, bro.
Are you oppressed? Are you faced with racism, sexism, homophobia, jewelers, or just plain out ignorance because you are not a heterosexual adult white male? Look no further!
Hey guys, I'm Candace Miller and I have a solution for you to get rid of those pesky jerks. I present to you in a 100% biodegradable plastic container made of pure plutonium, mercury, and arsenic. It is sure to get rid of all of those pesky jerks while saving the environment as well. Jerk Off is approved by the FDA. It is fun, safe, and friendly for the entire family. It's super easy to use. Just squeeze the nozzle. It'll squirt everywhere. You can use Jerk Off anywhere, and I mean anywhere. You can use Jerk Off here. Gone. Okay. You can jerk off there. Gone. You can use Jerk Off in the air. Gone. One squirt and they evaporate instantly. Gone. 9 out of 10 people say that Jerk Off really works. And trust me, it works and it squirts.
Hi, my name's Chad and I go to BNI and I love Jerk Off.
Yo, is this where I plug my Twitter and Snapchat? Ah, shoot. Yeah, bro, I use Jerk Off with my grandma when she tries to take a scooter. Yeah, this stuff works great, bro.
I was bullied every day until I bought Jerk Off! Think about the students. They could stop so many uncredible teachers. Valued at a price point of $300, you could get yours for just $99.99. Call 678-999-8212 to get yours today. I repeat, folks, 678-999-8212. And if you call within the next 3 minutes, I'll throw in a little something special for you. I'll tell you what. I'll throw in these attitude adjusters, which are valued at $500 a piece. FDA approved, these attitude adjusters really work. This is such a deal, it's like you're robbing me. Please rob me! I repeat, folks, 678-999-8212.